Kia ora, good morning, ata maria. It is Friday. I am Mike from Markets. This is Kiwibank Markets in a minute. So, the overnight session was a real 50-cent mixture. Yeah, you had the good, you had the jet planes, the Jaffas and the jelly beans, you had the milk bottles, and the disappointing, the spearmint leaves. Yeah, but even the good isn't really that good, really, at the moment. Empty calories, refined sugars. Trying to get back on the healthy eating wagon. Anyway, markets, yeah, the good. US equities, bit of a rebound there, supported by a positive skew in commodities, hope of additional US fiscal stimulus, probably fading hopes to be fair, and yeah, after a 3% fall in the Nasdaq yesterday, a perceived buying opportunity, buy the dip, as they say. The big three US indices up around about 0.5% at the moment this morning. Yeah, it's around 7 o'clock right now. Tempering those equity advances, though, were virus concerns, of course, and weekly jobless data. Yeah, so US jobless claims are beginning to demonstrate a bit of stabilisation, which doesn't really bode well for the wider economic recovery. Yeah, those numbers really need to keep trending. Worth keeping an eye on, like a lot of things at the moment. Yeah, just back to the virus concerns though. Yeah, I mean, everyone everywhere is concerned, but the lion's share of overnight concern was on the case counts coming out of Europe, and that weighed on European equity markets. They are mildly to modestly in the red this morning. What did all this mean for currencies? Well, you've got some balloons and you've got some anchors, or previous analogy, you've got some jelly beans and you've got some spearmint leaves. You've got currency markets moving a lot, but not really going anywhere. We left the Kiwi last night near 65.3 US cents. It traded to a low of 65.12, recovered to a high of 65.62, and now we're at 65.4 something. Yeah, 65.47. Yeah. So a lot of movement. Yeah, nothing really going on comparatively. Yeah, the other currencies, the Aussie pretty much tracked the Kiwi. And the other majors, similar theme, but just with less intra-session volatility movement, which means Kiwi crosses not overly far from where we left them last night. Looking ahead, yeah, there's really not much in the way of data as we charge toward the weekend. So, yeah, for a Saturday sentiment steer, I guess it's back to headline watching, maybe keeping an eye on equity markets, the usual. Yeah, okay, have a great weekend. Ka kite anō.